Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to balance a Amana washing machine. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so to balance an Amana washing machine and stop it from shaking or moving during spin cycles, there's a few things we can consider. So first thing is level the washer. So unplug the machine for safety, then place a level tool on the top of the washer, side to side and back to front. And now on the bottom of the washer, we've got these legs here, as you can see on this demonstration. So you can adjust the front legs by turning them clockwise to lower or counterclockwise to raise. You can use a wrench to loose or tighten the lock nuts after leveling. Rear legs are usually self-leveling, so lift the back of the washer a few inches and set it down firmly. They should automatically adjust. And another thing what we can do is inspect the floor that the washing machine's on. So ensure the washer is on a solid level surface, because if it's on a slope or an incline or decline, that's going to cause issues. And avoid placing the washer on soft or uneven flooring, and use a washer anti-vibration mat if necessary. And now if balancing and load distributions don't fix the shaking, there could be other reasons. So worn shock absorbers or suspension springs inside the washer, a damaged drum bearing or loose internal components.